In the realm of artistic expression, the emergence of 3D painting technology has revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with art. By blending the physical and virtual worlds, this innovative approach has opened up endless possibilities for artists and enthusiasts alike. In this article, we will delve into the evolution of 3D painting technology, tracing its roots, exploring its milestones, and envisioning its future. Early stages and the advent of 3D modeling. The foundation of 3D painting technology can be traced back to the advent of 3D modeling, which began to take shape in the 1960s. The pioneering work of computer scientists and artists laid the groundwork for the creation of virtual three-dimensional objects, introducing a new dimension to artistic representation. However, it was not until the 1990s that 3D modeling tools became more accessible to a broader audience, leading to a surge of interest in this emerging technology. From traditional painting to digital platforms, as technology advanced, artists started exploring the possibilities of merging traditional painting techniques with digital platforms. With the introduction of digital tablets and stylus pens, artists could create digital paintings directly on a screen, mimicking the experience of working on a physical canvas. This bridging of the physical and digital worlds served as a stepping stone toward the development of 3D painting technology. The birth of sculptural painting. The concept of sculptural painting emerged in the early 2000s, bringing a three-dimensional aspect to the traditional 2D canvas. Artists began experimenting with texture, depth, and perspective, using various materials and techniques to create raised or textured surfaces that added tactile qualities to their paintings. This experimentation marked a significant milestone in the evolution of 3D painting technology. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. The advent of virtual reality and augmented reality technologies has been instrumental in propelling 3D painting technology forward. VR allows artists to immerse themselves in a virtual environment, enabling them to create and manipulate three-dimensional artwork with unprecedented freedom. On the other hand, AR overlays digital content onto the physical world, enabling artists to paint directly on real-world surfaces while incorporating virtual elements seamlessly. Advancements in 3D painting tools. In recent years, significant advancements have been made in 3D painting tools, both in terms of software and hardware. Dedicated software applications, such as Tilt Brush and Quill, offer intuitive interfaces and a wide range of brushes and effects that simulate various painting techniques. Hardware innovations like VR headsets with motion controllers and haptic feedback devices further enhance the immersive and tactile experience of 3D painting. Collaborative and interactive art. One of the remarkable aspects of 3D painting technology is its potential for collaboration and interactivity. Artists can now collaborate remotely on virtual canvases, breaking the barriers of time and space. Moreover, interactive installations and exhibitions allow viewers to engage with 3D paintings, altering their perspective, colors, and shapes in real time, creating an ever-evolving art form. Future possibilities. As 3D painting technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate exciting future developments. Advancements in machine learning and artificial intelligence may enable intelligent brush systems that mimic the style and stroke of renowned artists. Integration with haptic feedback technology might offer artists the ability to feel the texture and resistance of virtual paints. Furthermore, the incorporation of biometric data or brain-computer interfaces could allow artists to directly translate their emotions and thoughts into visual creations. Conclusion. The evolution of 3D painting technology has ushered in a new era of artistic expression, offering artists an immersive and interactive canvas to unleash their creativity. From humble beginnings to the seamless integration of physical and virtual worlds, the journey of 3D painting technology has been transformative. As we look ahead, the future promises even more exciting possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what we perceive as art. With continued innovation and exploration, 3D painting technology will undoubtedly shape the artistic landscape for generations to come.